And this is the most legendary place in Sopot, entrance to the molo, which is the Pier. As I said, yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? By the way, today me and my parents came to Sopot, one of the most visited holiday town city in Poland. You can find so many big hotels, Sheraton, Marriott, Sofitel, similar to Bali style, but different because European promenades, piers, ice creams, coffees, cafes, bars, everything. A lot of very interesting stuff is here, and a lot of people coming because it's Saturday, 12 o'clock, and it's beautiful weather. Even though it's today first day of autumn, still you can enjoy the beautiful weather coming with the T-shirt, 25 degree, perfect weather for exploring. That's the Monte Casino street, and there is the beautiful church. My mama and papa just get inside because some time ago, years ago, my papa stayed summer in the hospital summer here when he had a bad accident for very long time. And this is basically the beginning of the Monte Casino street, and the heroes of the Monte Casino, basically walking street. No cars are allowed without the special permission, and go there straight 800 meters will be the Baltic Sea and the famous molo, which is the Pier. So we are going down to the Baltic Sea, to the molo, which is the Pier. Basically what you saw in the beginning of the video is the entrance. And oh, look at this, that's the Pier in Sopot actually. Ceramika Sopotska, which means so many souvenirs. Actually this is very tourist place. As you can see of the crowds already, is 12:30 a.m. Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon basically. And this is walking street. That's how does it look like basically. Happy as busy, so I can show you a little bit more tourist vibe here. Oh, Flying Tiger, Copenhagen. So basically you walk here, the gentleman with the wife, they playing here on the, like this one, cool, to the little baby already land. Well, European vibe. Doggo and the lady adore the little doggo here. What I'm gonna tell you. Oh, sweet factory, obviously must be. Summer here is also or the house, which is like a wavy house. Oh, pub, traditional restaurant with so many flags, a lot of things. This is like a proper walking street. Śliwka w kompot. That's the very Polish name. Oh, somebody switch on the alarm here. And I'm filming right now, but overall, that's how does it look like. A lot of restaurants. People enjoying their time already since 12, basically. This restaurant is full. Just the alarm in the background when I'm filming now. And this is the house, Krzywy Dom, which means like a wavy house actually. Krzywy Domek, wavy house, I think that's the proper translation. I'm not sure about this one. So it's like one of the attraction because you know, like this one. Wavy and the old architecture stuff. Just wanted to focus actually how many people are everywhere today. Basically, you know, people Monday to Friday working hard, on the weekends they enjoying. That's the Pizzatopia, and that's the already main square in Sopot. Basically at the front. Gonna move there, show you a little bit around. You can have a gofri, which is mini waffles. And you can have ice creams and a candy trendy shop. Basically, that's how does it look like here. European vibes without any dabs. Oh, even rhythm. And you can feel as they are vibe next to the ocean or sea, in this case to the sea, because well, overall looks like this one. Plenty of restaurants, plenty of the parks here. Like this one, you can find a lot of interesting stuff. Basically, bars, restaurants, Peroni Italia. Oh, this one is actually from the famous chef here. And this is it. And then in the background, there are also hotels and the sea. I'm gonna show you. Also get inside to the square as well. And that's the basically market square itself, the central location. There are also a lot of places for where the people coming from Poland for the healings, also for the vacation holidays. A lot of hotels. You can find the huge Sofitel, Marriott, Sheraton hotels and everything. And also this is like a walking street, basically the market square in English. It's time to show you the sea. It's first day of Atrium today, 23rd of September when I'm filming it. But the weather is still nice, 24 degree, 23, 24, 25. It's just simply very enjoyable. And also the air is very nice here because the sea is over there, so you have a feel very fresh. And basically so many restaurants everywhere around, plenty of places. This is the vibes in Sopot. And then there is the entrance to the pier. That's the old building here. Basically everywhere you're gonna find everywhere. And that's already where the crowds are here. That's the little bit of the modern mix between modern and old. That's like a, typical tourist hotspot here. Entrance to the mall, to the pier. Plenty of places for the ice cream and waffles and everything. So this is like a very characteristic in Poland, basically. And also, hello, ryby smażone, molo. This is like, that's how does it look like, basically. What I gonna tell you? Like you're going somewhere in, well, I wanted to say in Bali, but overall into tourist hotspot. But I'm actually impressed as there's so many people actually still at Saturday. That's the one of the hotels will be there on the left, and also the hotels will be there. This is the famous Sheraton. Before we're gonna enter to the pier, I just wanted to show you. If you wanna stay facing ocean front, that's the Sheraton, for example, Sopot. And that's the entrance to the legendary Molo Pier, which is actually pretty big and very popular in Poland. Just have to buy ticket. Now it's paid, I think it's 10 zł per entrance, but of course you're gonna get inside, just need to find where is the ticket counter. And that's the kasy Molo, which means the pricing, you can buy the tickets, srebro, which is silver, amber, restaurants and everything. Like this one. That's the ticket counter, and that's the stars with the amber delivery. Very popular here in Poland in general. You can have a stone like this one, very beautiful, and quite a lot of them. When you are on the Baltic Sea area, you will definitely find a lot of stuff like this one. Actually, quite a lot of people here, but I wanted to show you. You can buy the necklace like this one. Actually, I will zoom it a little bit for you. This is like a gold but stone. This is the amber. And one of the tickets costs 10 zł, which is like, I don't know, $250 or something. And this is the legendary pier in Poland. Basically, that's the pier, which calls Molo. My mama, papa, a lot of people actually. And there is the beach. Basically the beach, there's even a little bit of the cliff over there. People searching there for the amber, because obviously the amber you can find on the beach. So it's not as we are mining it or something, it's natural. That's why people actually looking when the wave coming, the amber is in this black stones and the other things, and then there is the amber, you can look for it. Overall, that's the Sheraton. Grand Hotel is also over there. I think it's called Sopot. So they are two big resorts what you could enjoy the time, and basically the beach, and this is the Baltic Sea. And that's the pier. And pier actually it's very big and pretty impressive. Not only in California you can find stuff like this one. Cool. In my opinion, very cool. Also, especially on the weekends, quite a lot of people. You can enjoy very holiday vibe. Even in this time, in Atrium, here quite a lot of people doing something, looking, oh, that's the birdies. And they are Polish łabędź, which means the swan. The white swan, not the black one, like in Perth. You have a white one together with the birdies. Look at this one. That's the sea vibes. People enjoying quite a lot of, because they have actually bread. That's why quite a lot of people. But basically, that's how does it look like. Okay. Oh, you can get inside actually as well, down there, and walk. Ooh, they are hungry actually, and they are also a lot of people, actually not Polish one, a lot of visitors, a lot of people who living in Poland basically. And that's, you can get actually to the very end. There is also old ship and the galera. I'm gonna show you. Where's my mom actually? I lost them. They are there actually, I think. Yeah. And then there will be harbor in Gdańsk actually, and also the biggest harbor will be in Gdynia, behind the cliff. Then you can have a boat trip. Actually the boat is already there. Look like this one. Yeah, you can cruise. Oh, somebody have a nice husky doggo. here, and that's basically how does it look like. Quite a lot of people into the boat cruise here. That must be a big attraction here. And also people have their own yachts. That's also cruising boat here, like cruising boat. And then there is the actually little marina where they have a private yachts and boats. Today I'm with my mama and papa in the mall in the pier in Sopot. Overall beautiful weather. Been a while when they were here, so I make a video at the same time. They have a time together. Tomorrow I'm going to Canada, so I will come back after that, after Canada anyways, one more time. So it's like another weekend getaway, and that's the vibes overall. And actually over there the people have all these fancy yachts. Also the construction of this pier is fully made by the wood, by the all pals, but I'm gonna tell you, this is pretty old construction, but it's in very, very good shape. And I think on the top of it is the restaurant, actually, like this one. And basically you can enjoy the view of the marina. The colors are a little bit very difficult to make a video. Actually, this is the edge. And this is how does it look like the whole entire mall from the edge. Basically, the pier, the view of the hotel, churches, beaches. It's actually pretty long, to be honest. And that's the big hotels and the beach. Pretty cool. Highly recommended if you are around, if you are in Gdańsk perhaps, highly recommended to come actually and visit perhaps the Sopot as well. Highly recommended. And also that's the construction. How does it look like? That's the vibes. That's the restaurant at the edge. Basically you can enjoy some fish, some lunch, and that's the actually when it's already the end. There is also very nice looking old ship, Galera. Oh, the ship transformed also into pirates ship, which is the restaurant, team restaurant, probably some attractions. You can find like this one, also pretty cool. Pirates mean pirate in Polish language. There's like a shanty music. That's not named in Bali shanty, but shanty music, which is actually the pirate ocean music. And it's a nice restaurant actually, with the very nice decorations and everything. Very nice theme. Polish music in the background. Don't wanna get too close because for sure I'm gonna get a copyright, especially when I'm in Poland right now. But a very, very nice place. Overall, I'm gonna tell you, very, very cool concept with this pirate ship. Well, this is Baltic Sea, and overall the concept of the tourist town. This is actually one of the most popular tourist destinations if you're looking to see the ocean, sea vibe, Baltic Sea vibe. And next is the Władysławowo, of course, but this one is also very popular. Actually, this one is, I'm not sure which one is the most popular, but the popular. Oh, here we go. There's some sounds, cool stuff. Actually, I didn't realize this restaurant is like a cruise. Not only as it's docking, but actually they are cruising out. Here you go, the lady working hard, and they're gonna go for the cruise actually. This is even more cooler than I thought. You see, I didn't know actually about something like this. It is here, but it's cool. Actually, 70 zł also is not that expensive for the ticket, but it must be a very, very cool experience. Actually, you see, something different. If I will be have to come again for full day, definitely I will try. So cool. And they're gonna go. Probably gonna go to different harbor and gonna come back, or gonna come back here, but I'm not sure. But it's basically cool, and I'm very lucky actually, as I just came when the ship is going out from the pier. So cool. Oh, at the back they also have a nice decoration. And they have a, emergency boat as well, but it's a little bit small. But it's not gonna happen anything. Oh, look at this. Actually, very, very beautiful boat. So cool. Very, very nice. So cool. And the little sailing boat as well. So a lot of people sailing in Poland actually. Really a lot. That's the actually lighthouse here. The very, very old one. Very hard to film because basically sun is facing. Couldn't come here for the sunset, but that's how it looks like. Plenty of places, like I said, and that's basically how does it look like. And that's like a park in general, just outside the entrance to the mall. Coffee time, cappuccino, 14 zł here in Poland. regular price. My mama, papa enjoying their time. Still nice vibe, people enjoying. They give you the blanket in case if you cold you can have it. That's the Lighthouse, what I mentioned, and overall that's the vibes. That's the Sopot. And that's the cappuccino. But the price is 3 coffees 40 zł, so it's very similar price like anywhere else. Well, not super cheap, but it's also not super tragic expensive or anything. It's just regular one. Actually, okay, they let me go. Actually, normal prices. You will pay in Bali also the similar price for the coffee actually. So it's if you go to the other countries in Europe, it will be a little bit more expensive. So Poland is not that bad. That's the actually shop with the krówki. That's the traditional Polish candy. Not sure if I can get inside, but maybe I will show you. That's like a candy store. They're selling some traditional stuff here. That's the hałwa. I don't know what's the translation in Polish. That looks actually really cool. Oh, the kids driving this one and the Pokemon and everything and the stuff for the kids. This is like a typical place where is, you know, a lot of is going on, especially for the kids. And of course the candy, a lot of candy everywhere. You're not gonna have a shortage of the candies in Poland. Everywhere a lot of candies. And this is the selection of the krówki. This is like a candy what you should try in the Poland, but there is so many flavors actually, starting from the coffee advocate through the strawberry, raspberry, cacao, coconut, sesame, rum, even many things. It's like a fudge candy. You should be familiar. I will show you the one here, which is milk one, like this one. Cool stuff. And this is the section with the chocolate. So much selection of the raisin and peanut and other stuff with the chocolate cover and the, you know, the cherries and plums and the chocolate selections here, like this one. And you have also craft chocolates, like this one, with the prices, as you can see, but the selection is amazingly huge. To be honest, I know in Bali they make a chocolate, but the selection of this kind of type of chocolate I never seen in my life, like this one. And the selection of the jellies as well. If you don't have a teeth, don't worry, you can have a sugar teeth. But I'm gonna tell you, this is the jelly selection, like a Haribo in Germany, but the selection here is just, this is like a heaven, especially if you like sweets or lollipops or everything like this one. It's just so cool and so much selection. This is like a paradise for everybody who likes sweets. So we got the bag with the plums and the krówka and the raisins and everything. I'm gonna show you because this is traditional thing with the flavor of the plum. We choose a few different flavors with the cherries and with the hazelnut and with the cranberry and the coffee as well. So this is it. Also nice doggo, sun, a lot of people. I'm gonna try it now. So basically this is how does it look like. It's like a fudge with the plum flavor. It looks like this one. It's toffee basically. Trying to explain you. Overall, very good stuff. If you're in Poland, highly recommend it to try, especially if you like candies. Very good. That's the genuine German Shepherd dog, and that's the Sempro restaurants. And that is actually after lunchtime, so it's a lot of restaurants right now. I mean, this is the same Heroes of Monte Casino Road, walking street, but quite a lot of people enjoying their time. Overall, that's the vibes. And where is the church? There is already the entrance and exit. There is also McDonald's if you don't want to spend money or eat here like this one. You can go to Macca's, which is over there. Overall, that's the vibes here in Sopot. First day of autumn, end of September 2023. As you see, pretty enjoyable, pretty busy. A lot of people have an imagination here. Somebody bring the sheriff car and they driving. I don't know how it's legal, but it's legal because have a yellow plate. They make it legal for some reason. It's so funny. And this is also nice resident hotel in Sopot. So this is European hotel vibes like this one. This is how does it look like basically. And this is also the place where so many shops and restaurants, the bar. This is like a modern part, obviously. tourist information still, but I don't know if it's open or not. Maybe probably you get inside because it's too cold. And there is also like a newer kind of walking mall with full of restaurants. Basically the modern restaurants in Sopot and everything. And the passage looks like this. So there's also a train station. That's why you can see so many people walking with the suitcases going to the hotels. Behind me is the brewery here in Sopot. So as you know, there is no shortage of the drink beverages, any kind of cafes, any kind of sweet shops and everything. That was the short trip actually, but the video is actually not that really short. I just wanted to show you a little bit different vibes, like a holiday vibes, even when the season is really off season, actually almost 1 month off season. Thanks so much for watching, listening. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. However, tomorrow will be, that's the train actually. And as I promised, in case if you don't want to try anything what we've tried here, of course there is legendary McDonald's, and you can sit actually like this one in the park. See ya, take care.
I'm on my way.